Sunrise paints the pine in gold. A gentle breeze, a story told. Two drops gleam on spider webs. Nature's whisper softly treads. A distant sound as waking life begins around. Soft earth beneath my walking feet, a peaceful rhythm, oh so sweet. Birds are singing in the trees, carried on the rustling leaves begin to play, chasing worries far away. This calm farm walk a sweet release. My worried mind finds perfect peace. The scent of hay, a grassy field, nature's bounty now revealed. Cows are lowing, soft and deep, secrets that the pastures keep. Birds are singing in the trees, carried of the morning breeze. Rustling leaves begin to play, chasing worries far away. This calm farm walk a sweet release.